Hey guys, and welcome back to Bee's Kitchen. I hope everyone is doing well. Today I am going to show you this delicious cabbage stew, which can be paired with plain rice, boiled yam, potatoes, any side dish of your choice. Stay with me and let's get started. For this recipe, I am going to use the following ingredients. In this bowl, I have my cabbage, which has been chopped, and I used medium to large cabbage, and this is the quantity I had. I have ginger, garlic, Scotch bonnet, shallots, tomato puree, 2 tinned tomatoes, medium chopped onion. I have tinned mackerel. You can use any meat of your choice, palm oil and vegetable oil. As always, all ingredients including measurements will be in the description box below. First things first, I'm going to blend together shallots, Scotch bonnet, ginger, garlic with a little bit of water until smooth, and I'll set this aside. As I mentioned, I will be using 2 types of oil for my stew. I've just added some palm oil to my pan, and I'm now going to add vegetable oil. Next, I'm going to allow the oil to come to heat. Once the oil is hot, I'm going to add my chopped onions, and I will fry this on low to medium heat until fragrant. I'm now going to add 1 tablespoon of tomato puree, and I'm going to simmer on low to medium heat for 2 minutes. Later, I'm going to add the blended pepper mixture, and I'll simmer on low to medium heat for 3 minutes. Whilst the peppers are simmering away, I'm going to blend my tinned tomatoes. I'm going to add both tinned tomatoes to my blender, and I will blend this until smooth. And this is what the pepper mixture looks like after 3 minutes of simmering. I've added my blended tomatoes, and I'm going to mix everything together well. Next, I will add all my seasonings. As I've added all my seasonings, I'm just mixing everything together. Next, I will allow the stew to simmer on low to medium heat for 15 to 20 minutes. Occasionally, I will stir to minimize burning. To 20 minutes later, I'm now going to add my cabbage, and next I will mix everything together well. And as you can see, I have mixed everything together well. I am now going to cover and allow the cabbage to simmer for 5 minutes on low to medium heat. And 5 minutes later, I am now going to add my tinned mackerel, which I have drained the excess oil from it. You can also add any meat of your choice. As I've added all my tinned mackerel, I'm just gently mixing everything together. Next, I will cover and allow the cabbage stew to simmer on low to medium heat for 5 to 10 minutes. However, if you like your cabbage very soft, you may need to leave it on to cook longer. Also, don't forget to taste and adjust your seasonings. And 5 to 10 minutes later, the cabbage stew is ready. It smells incredible. You can pair this with any side dish of your choice. It didn't even take me that long to make it, and guys, you are certainly going to enjoy this simple, delicious cabbage stew. As always, thank you so much for joining me. Please don't forget to like this video, share this video, comment below, subscribe to this channel if you have not already done so, and click that notification bell which will notify you every time I post a new video. Enjoy, and I'll see you next time. Bye.